Good evening, this is FNS over here. We will be going over a market recap of today's price action. February the 7th, 2024. Okay, so I usually start off by the midnight open. Okay, I like to see whether the market manipulated into the first hours of London. Well, today was exactly at the open. So midnight open, correct? We dropped about 29 handles and 2 ticks. We traded into this bullish order block right here. There we go. Excuse the noise in the background. London opened. Okay. Start dropping down to lower time frames. We had these sell stops right here. Resting underneath 17,640 level. Let me readjust. There we go. 17,641. Like I mentioned, we traded into this H1 order block. What do we have? This intermediate, this small swing high right here. Broke above it. Let me check the 10-minute time frame to see if I can get to see any clear PDRAs. So we took our sell stops, created a mitigation block, MB. There we go. Mitigation block. We broke above this swing high right here, having a market structure shift afterwards. We created a bullish order block right here. All of this during London hours, okay? Then we took off. We created a swing low over here. We retested the order block once again. Would you look at that? We created some relative equal lows over here. Sales liquidity, which was untapped. So anyway, as the London session progressed, we kept on taking our highs. Okay. First step, retrace into this order block right here. We took off. We cleared out these equal highs, relative equal highs over here. And what lies been above, in this case, is buy stops. That's what BSL stands for, buy side liquidity. Okay. We left a huge imbalance. We left with a huge imbalance of the new week opening gap price range. In the previous video, which was the daily bias of today, I did mention something about an order block being that could possibly get in the way of the market going up. But what was the case today? Let me check in the 2-hour time frame to see if I can get any clearer picture. So this right here was the low, if I'm not mistaken, or the high. Let me see. That was the low. Let me take off some things off the chart just to declutter this mess I have right here. But anyway, this is the order block I was talking about in the morning. This one right here. What do we end up doing out of it? Let me switch it to bullish. Oh, actually, more than an order block is a breaker block. We traded we closed a few ticks above it. Literally. Wow. 1.5 points, maybe 2 points. Then New York opened at 9:30 in the morning. I'm pretty sure everybody's familiar with that. And yes, I'm pretty sure if you guys saw the live execution, you guys saw me counter trend trading. Okay, so we had a Judas swing over here. Make it look like it was gonna tank all the way down probably into one retest the new week opening gap or this imbalance right here. I'm sorry. Let me take this off. We created another swing low over here at 10 in the morning exactly. I was still in the shorts at that time, I think. 5 minute. Oopsie daisy. 5 minute time frame. Oh yeah. We have this over here. Pretty sure the 1 minute time frame can be visible, since that's where I spend most of my time on. Sell side liquidity. So we have this relative equal lows over here, swept. What did we have? This leg up, small sweep again. Minor sweep. I was expecting a steeper sweep today actually. I was expecting it to come at least 10 more points down. But well, I do not have control over what the market does. So what happened after the sweep? We created this bullish order block right here. What did we trade into? And yes, we can say we have this market structure, breakup structure over here. Let me delete this just in case. Just keep in mind that we did trade into the hourly order block that we had mentioned during the market recap and daily bias video. All right. It's always in low impact news days that I see the market just rip like that. Anyway, so we swept liquidity. We had a creation of a bullish order block. The moment this gets traded above, it becomes an order block, okay? At least from my understanding. If I am wrong, By all means, correct me. It's no problem. So where did we trade into? The discount area of this bullish order block. What happened? Well, discount, yes, I said it right. Sorry. We took off. We took off right after it. Right after tapping this discount array of this bullish order block. Started taking off highs. Let me just extend this back in time for a tad bit. Let's see. I'm gonna do all this from the phone, so it's not the most comfortable way to do it. But hey, by any means necessary, they say, right? It's not even visible. 30 minutes. Oh yeah, that's the one. H1. Exactly. Oh, exactly at the midpoint of this breaker block right here. Like I said again, excuse me for the noise in the background. Oh, anyway, we continue taking out highs. We took the market. New York open high. Just right here, just in case. I'm taking out highs. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oopsie daisy. This right here is a market structure shift. Any imbalances, any breakers, any breaker blocks. There we go. Gosh, it's choppy in the 5-minute. Probably not the best time frame to base it off. But anyway, we have somewhat of a breaker right here. Bearish breaker. We discounted or retraced down into this imbalance right here. And right now we're just building liquidity, engineering liquidity. This will be the buy side, as in now. There's the nearest sell side liquidity. No, not the nearest. Sell side. Relative equal lows over here in the mid-range, in the middle of the range. So that'll be all for today. I was expecting a bullish move to the upside. I was expecting a steeper retrace, but here's the thing. I cannot expect a steep retrace when there's no high impact news on the AM session. Look how green this is. Sell stops rated. Price trading into this bullish imbalance, respecting the CE of it. Consequent encroachment, if I am not mistaken. Excuse my English, it's not my first language. As you guys can see, everything on my phone is set on Spanish. Just in case if it's hard for anybody to understand me. But yeah, that's pretty much what we did. We traded into this imbalance right here. which lined up perfectly with this breaker. I keep on getting lost. There we go. At no moment in time the breaker was traded below after being broken through. Well, that'll be all for today, guys. This was today's market recap. All right. So good luck and good and safe trading. FNS out.